I welcome you to Facebook Ads Course for Beginners. In today's training, I'll be showing you guys essential Facebook ad terminology that you need to know as a beginner. And the first thing I will talk about is your profile. Your profile is the first account that you create on Facebook. Look at my own profile. With this profile, I can add friends, can see. And I see friends that I can add. Friends can also send me friend requests, but I can't use this profile to run ad. The only thing I can do with this profile is to use it to manage my page. From here now, we move to the next Terminology, which is your Facebook page. If you want to see where your pages are, using your system, click on Home, and you will go down. Click on See More, then click on Pages. Here you'll be able to see your pages. See my page. If I want to run advertisement, it is this page that I will use to run advertisement. So when people are seeing my ad, it is this page they see. They will not see my profile, which is Jack Daniel. They can always see my page, which is Mr. Edu Biz. And similar to Facebook page is your Instagram page. If you have not created any Facebook page, if you click on your profile image, you will not see page here. You only see your profile. But if you have created your Facebook page, by the time you click on your profile, you will see all the pages you are managing on this right-hand side. If I want to switch to my Facebook page now, all I need to do is to click on this, and now I am in my Facebook page. The next thing I will talk about is your Business Manager account. To understand a Business Manager account, this is where you manage your advertisement. You manage your ad account, and that is where you can create ads. To go to Business Manager account, simply type business.facebook.com/create on your browser and press Enter key on your keyboard. You can see. If I click on Create Now, it will take me to where I can create a Business Manager account. But I'm not going to create a Business Manager account now. I will recommend, before you create a Business Manager account, make sure you have verified your identity. And that means your profile should be verified with any of the government ID cards. I believe you gained a lot from this training today. If you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments section what you benefited from this training. Ensure you subscribe to this channel. That is, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel. And follow us on all our social media pages so that you will learn about Facebook ads for beginners. See you in the next video. Bye.